If you've ever felt limited by what you can do with Apple's Shortcuts app, you're about to discover a game changer that will completely transform your automation possibilities. Today we're diving deep into Toolbox Pro, a powerful third-party app that supercharges Apple's Shortcuts with over 300 additional actions that Apple simply doesn't provide. While Shortcuts is incredibly useful on its own, Toolbox Pro bridges the gap between what you want to accomplish and what's actually possible on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Think of Toolbox Pro as a Swiss Army knife for your shortcuts. Where Apple's native actions might leave you saying, "I wish I could do this," Toolbox Pro steps in with solutions you never knew existed. The app seamlessly integrates with Shortcuts, appearing as additional actions you can drag and drop into your automations, but the capabilities it unlocks are extraordinary. Let's start with system-level control that Apple keeps locked away. Toolbox Pro gives you actions to manipulate your device's settings in ways that feel almost magical. You can create shortcuts that automatically toggle your device's appearance between light and dark mode based on time of day, adjust your display brightness to specific percentages rather than just bright or dim, and even control advanced accessibility settings programmatically. One of my favorite examples is creating a focus mode shortcut that doesn't just enable Do Not Disturb, but also dims the screen to exactly 30%, enables grayscale mode to reduce visual distractions, and adjusts text size for better readability. This level of granular control simply isn't possible with standard shortcuts actions. The file manipulation capabilities are where Toolbox Pro really shines. While Apple's shortcuts can handle basic file operations, Toolbox Pro treats your device like a full computer. You can zip and unzip archives directly on your phone, extract specific files from compressed folders, and even create password-protected archives. I regularly use a shortcut that automatically compresses my weekly screenshots into a dated zip file and saves it to a specific folder in iCloud Drive, something that would require multiple apps and manual steps otherwise. Text processing becomes incredibly sophisticated with Toolbox Pro's advanced actions. Beyond simple find and replace, you can perform complex text transformations that rival desktop text editors. The app includes actions for advanced regular expressions, text encoding conversions, and even OCR capabilities that can extract text from images with remarkable accuracy. I've built shortcuts that scan receipts, extract relevant information like totals and dates, and automatically log expenses to my spreadsheet. Network capabilities unlock entirely new possibilities for your shortcuts. Toolbox Pro can ping servers, perform DNS lookups, and even scan your local network for connected devices. This means you can create shortcuts that check if your home server is running before attempting to connect, or automatically configure settings based on which Wi-Fi network you're connected to. One powerful example is a shortcut that detects when I'm on my home network and automatically enables specific automations while disabling others that are only relevant when I'm away from home. The device information actions provide insights that Apple typically keeps hidden from users. You can access detailed battery statistics, check available storage across different categories, monitor memory usage, and even retrieve hardware identifiers. This enables shortcuts that adapt their behavior based on your device's current state. For instance, I have a backup shortcut that checks available storage before proceeding and automatically cleans up temporary files if space is running low. Image and media processing capabilities rival professional software. Toolbox Pro can extract metadata from photos, perform advanced image manipulations like adding custom watermarks, and even generate QR codes with custom styling. The audio processing actions can extract audio from video files, convert between different audio formats, and analyze audio properties. These capabilities transform your mobile device into a portable media production studio. Location and mapping features go far beyond Apple's basic location services. You can calculate distances between coordinates, perform reverse geocoding to convert coordinates into readable addresses, and even work with different coordinate systems. I use these actions in a travel shortcut that automatically calculates driving time to my next appointment and suggests the optimal departure time based on current traffic conditions. The web scraping and API integration actions deserve special mention. Toolbox Pro can parse HTML, extract specific elements from web pages, and handle complex API responses with ease. This means you can create shortcuts that pull information from websites that don't offer official shortcuts integration. I've built shortcuts that monitor specific websites for changes and send notifications when new content appears. What makes Toolbox Pro particularly impressive is how these advanced capabilities remain accessible to everyday users. The actions are well documented with clear examples, and the app includes sample shortcuts that demonstrate real-world applications. You don't need to be a programmer to benefit from these powerful tools. The reliability and performance are exceptional. Despite offering such extensive functionality, Toolbox Pro actions execute quickly and integrate seamlessly with your existing shortcuts. The app is regularly updated with new actions based on user feedback, and the developer is incredibly responsive to the community's needs. Toolbox Pro transforms Apple shortcuts from a useful automation tool into a comprehensive platform for creating sophisticated workflows that rival desktop automation software. Whether you're looking to automate complex file operations, integrate with advanced system features, or build shortcuts that respond intelligently to your device's state, Toolbox Pro provides the missing pieces that make it all possible. If you found this deep dive helpful and want to see more advanced automation tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming shortcuts content.